bestie, welcome to my channel. This is an unboxing of Happy Mail that I received from Tiffany from Shop VillaBeautiful. So, she just celebrated her 9th anniversary and she had a giveaway on Instagram, guys, and I won $15. Okay, so if this is something that interests you, if you're not familiar with Shop VillaBeautiful, she sells the pins that's well known within the planner community. So, and I got some other things too, guys. So, hopefully you decide to stay along as I do this unboxing. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I do unboxing of Happy Meal that I receive, which is typically planner items. And also I do cash stuffing, budgeting, investing, and give you tips on how to save on gas. So if any of those things interest you, hopefully you decide to join the journey. And also I'm doing a giveaway, so check that out as well. And something from this box will be part of the giveaway, one of the surprises. But what item would it be? And if you've been here before, hey girl, hey. So glad you decided to come back. So let's get into the thing. So I saw that she had this pen and I thought maybe this would be a great addition to add to my planner for 2025. I think the pink and the black is real pretty. And I think the pink will look great. So I didn't know it came with stickers. So I'm loving that because I definitely can use those in my planner. Okay, you see the 9 on here. So this is a thank you card for 9 amazing years. It doesn't even seem like it's been that long. So I am not a washi girl, but this is the washi that she has for her anniversary. So I said, you know what? Let me get this and maybe I will use some washi in 2025. And I got the washi that has the pins on it. So I'm going to attempt to use them in 2025. That's my goal to try. Because like I said, I'm not a washi girl. So when you do purchase pins from Shop VillaBeautiful, she does give you refills. Oh my god. Take in these pins. Absolutely stunning, classy, and absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna save those for last. Let's go ahead and get to everything. But baby, those pins, gorgeous. Oh my god, I got the pink envelope. So guys, for the 9th anniversary, she indicated that the VB Fairy will be adding surprise pink envelopes to random anniversary release orders. And I got one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you, Tiffany. I am so excited. I'm so excited because I simply, so this is a free pen I got. Ooh, it's, oh my gosh. Oh, thank you so much. Let's see what else I got, guys. Oh my gosh, look at these Tiffany stickers. It's emotions. Let's open them up. Because I definitely don't have this. And this is going to look good on my blackout planning that I do next year. And these stickers are puffy. Now this is totally different. I don't think I ever seen no stickers like this before, but I'm gonna love this in my monthly or my blackout planner. I'm gonna love this. I hopefully she sell these in the shop. Not sure if they're already in there. Not sure. But I absolutely love the emotions. This is perfect for me tracking on my monthly planner. Okay, let's see what else I got. I got some stickers. I got several stickers. And I'm definitely looking forward to adding them to my planner and my setup. And all of these, because of the size of it, is definitely going to be perfect to add it to my monthly. Oh, and I love the reflections. So guys, okay, so now I got something else. Oh, I got another one of these, guys. The pins. You see that? Cute. So, guys, what you think? Love this. Thank you, Tiffany, for the free stickers and this beautiful pink pen. Absolute. Oh, and also the washi. Can't forget the washi that you included in it. Thank you so much. And I'm so thrilled that I was selected to get the random pink envelope. Okay, so now let's look into the pens that I bought. So I think this pink pen right here that I got a freebie is named after her daughter Camille. Love, love, love. So these are the pens that I opened. So when you order pens from her, like I mentioned earlier, you do get refills, but her pens come in the clear box. So I'm definitely not going to open up each one. Definitely not gonna do that, but they do come in a box. So like, I did end up getting this pen right here, so I can utilize, with my blackout planning. But all of her pens that has the crystal, like the ones that I'm showing right here, it does come with black ink. And as I mentioned before, you do get the black refill, but she does sell the blue refills in the shop too. I think it's like $1. So for all of my pens, the hardware where it's blue, I changed out all those pens to blue ink. So I know when I pick up one of her blue pens that it already has the blue ink in it because I changed them, and then I typically leave the rest in black ink. But since I'm going to do blackout planning for 2025, I will be changing the ink for a few of these to gold and silver. I did find gold and silver ink refills, and hopefully I find some other colors. So we shall see. So let's look at these pens. Love, love, love. So I did want the black hardware pens. Then I ordered a few brown pens because I am going to utilize my Louis Vuitton agendas in 2025. So that's why I did get brown pens. And of course I got the green pens to go with my green planners. So basically the pens that I did order, I ordered them to coordinate with the planners that I'm using in 2025. Okay, so I have one more thing to open, and that's the envelope that I received, and I'm assuming that's the stickers that I did order. So let's go ahead and put everything else back so we can get into the last Happy Meal within this box. So I will make sure to include VillaBeautiful's link in the description, so check her out. They make good Christmas presents. Something for the teachers, something for your bestie, or just something for yourself. Okay, so let's get into the stickers that I ordered. So I picked these colors for the sticker sheets because I thought it would be perfect with my blackout planning. And also with all the sticker sheets that I did purchase with the deco, I thought it would be great for 2025 as well. And I'm loving these sheets. I'm loving the size of the deco. And I'm looking forward to using these stickers. And I can't wait to see how they turn out when I place them on black paper. And here's a thank you card. You're very welcome, Tiffany. Always love your pens and your kits that you used to have. And thank you so much for my freebie. So guys, that's basically it. That's everything that I've ordered and also the freebies that I got. And let me know what's anything in there that stood out to you, any favorites that you see in this unboxing. Thanks so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Toodles!